Welcome to Amsterdam, a vibrant city teeming with rich culture and fascinating history. It's an ideal destination for budget travelers seeking unique experiences without breaking the bank. To enhance your journey, AmsterdamCityCard.com offers a wealth of resources and discounts, making your adventure both affordable and memorable. Vondelpark is Amsterdam's largest and most beloved park, offering expansive green spaces perfect for picnics, leisurely walks, and enjoying the natural beauty of the city. Visitors can engage in various outdoor activities like cycling, jogging, and even attending free performances during the summer months, making it a vibrant community hub. Amsterdam's markets, like Albert Kuip Market and the Flower Market, provide a rich cultural experience. Here, you can explore local crafts, enjoy delicious free samples, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere filled with colors and scents. These markets are perfect for connecting with the heart of Amsterdam's community. Amsterdam offers a variety of free walking tours, allowing visitors to explore the city's rich history and discover hidden gems. Led by knowledgeable local guides, these tours provide insightful anecdotes and facts, making it an engaging way to learn about Amsterdam's diverse culture while enjoying a leisurely stroll through picturesque streets. Many popular museums in Amsterdam offer free entry days, allowing art and history enthusiasts to explore masterpieces without spending a dime. By planning visits around these special days, travelers can experience the city's rich cultural heritage, from famous artworks to historical exhibits, making art accessible for everyone. During the summer, Amsterdam's parks come alive with free cultural events, including concerts and film screenings. These activities create a vibrant atmosphere, allowing locals and tourists to gather, socialize, and enjoy art performances in a stunning outdoor setting. This enhances the local experience and fosters a sense of community. The AmsterdamCityCard.com is an invaluable tool for travelers looking to maximize their experiences while staying within budget. It offers significant discounts on attractions, public transportation, and dining, allowing visitors to explore more for less. This resource ensures a rich and affordable adventure in Amsterdam's vibrant landscape. To conclude, we explored 5 amazing, budget-friendly activities in Amsterdam, from visiting Vondelpark to participating in cultural events. We invite you to share which activity excites you the most in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on exploring the world without overspending.